today I'm going to be opening and having fun with this Disney Princess cash register. And I'm also going to be opening and having fun with this Disney Princess clip-on dresses. And they're going to be my customers. These 6 princesses are going to be my customers. And I bet you guys know some of these names anyway, but I'll just tell you. This one here is Rapunzel. And I know that I know this one. It's Ariel, Cinderella, Belle, which I already have the clip-on dress, but it's a different kind of Belle. That's Princess Tiana, like my name's Tiana. And there's Aurora next to her. This cash register comes with some groceries and some money here. And there's some more money, but they're pennies. Look at the beautiful picture on the cash register. And the princesses are Rapunzel, Cinderella, and Snow White. And I've got these 2 in the clip-on dresses. And at the top there's some more pictures. And that's Belle, Cinderella, and Aurora. It's opening time! Everything is now out of the box. Here are my beautiful 6 Disney clip-on dresses princesses. And here's the cash register. Here is all the money that comes with the cash register. Belle has £2, which is 1 equals 2. And Rapunzel has 5 and a 5, that adds up to 10. Ooh. Cinderella might be buying a lot of groceries today. She has £20. 10 and 10 equals 20. Wow! Princess Tiana is rich. She has 50/50 and that's 100. Here are my groceries that came with this cash register. Here's an apple. Well, I think it's an apple. Must be. Whoopsie. Let's put that there. And this is a tin of strawberries. This is a can of strawberries and Ariel's on it. And this is the last grocery, and it's a croissant. It's bumpy. And this is the credit card, and you can buy lots of groceries with this, and you just pop it in there, and you do that. Put that back there. And there's also the groceries as a little basket that also gives the set. Please have some assistance because I've got 6 beautiful princesses waiting in line. Hello, may I pay for my shopping? Yes, you may, Princess Tiana. Let's pay for strawberries first. That's in the wrong way. And that would be here is my apple. And that would be add 5. Now for my croissant. Croissants are my favourite. That would add 7. That will be 50p. Princess Tiana, please. So the 5 and a 10 makes 15. There's my 15. Thank you. Please again. Hold on, Princess Tiana. You got all the groceries. That isn't fair. Assistance, please. Princess Tiana has groceries and I ran out. Okay, I've got my food. You can't see me. This is a lot of food. Hello. Here you go, princesses. There's enough groceries for you now. All the princesses have been doing a lot of shopping. Because you're first in line, Cinderella, I'm going to pay for your groceries first. Start with the apples. So that's 5. Add 5 equals 10. Okay, Cinderella, that costs £10. I don't have any money, but I do have this card. That'll do. Thank you. Do I need to take my card? Of course you do. So you can use it everywhere else. Okay guys, that's all for today. I've had a good time with this cash register and all my princesses with all the groceries. It's just crazy with all this food. And can you please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Hi friends! And today I'm going to be opening and having fun with this Disney Princess cash register. And I'm also going to be opening and having fun with this Disney Princess clip-on dresses. And they're going to be my customers. These 6 princesses are going to be my customers. And I bet you guys know some of these names anyway, but I'll just tell you. This one here is Rapunzel. And I know that I know this one. It's Ariel, Cinderella, Belle, which I already have the clip-on dress, but it's a different kind of Belle. That's Princess Tiana, like my name's Tiana. And there's Aurora next to her. This cash register comes with some groceries and some money here. And there's some more money. And it's a croissant. It's bumpy. And this is the credit card, and you can buy lots of groceries with this. And you just pop it in there, and you do that. Put that back there. And there's also the groceries as a little basket that also gives the set. Now, please have some assistance because I've got 6 beautiful princesses waiting in line. Hello, may I pay for my shopping? Yes, you may, Princess Tiana. Pay for strawberries first. That's in the wrong way. And that would be here is mine, but they're pennies. Look at the beautiful picture on the cash register, and the princesses are Rapunzel, Cinderella and Snow White, and I've got these 2 in the clip-on dresses, and at the top there's some more pictures, and that's Belle, Cinderella and Aurora. It's opening time! Everything is now out of the box. Here are my beautiful 6 Disney clip-on dresses princesses. And here's the cash register. Here is all the money that comes with the cash register. Belle has £2, which is 1 and 1 equals 2. And Rapunzel has 5 and a 5, that adds up to 10. Ooh. Cinderella might be buying a lot of groceries today. She has £20. 10 and 10 equals 20. Wow! Princess Tiana is rich. She has 50-50 and that's 100. Here are my groceries that came with this cash register. Here's an apple. Well, I think it's an apple. Must be. Whoopsie. Let's put that there. And this is a tin of strawberries. This is a can of strawberries and Ariel's on it. And this is the last grocery apple. And that would be add 5. Now for my croissant. Croissants are my favourite. That would add 7. That would be 50p. Princess Tiana, please. So 5 and a 10 makes 15. Here's my 15. Thank you. Please again. Hold on, Princess Tiana. You got all the groceries. That isn't fair. Assistance, please. Princess Tiana has brought groceries and I ran out.